What is up bros, this is Jay back with another video and भाइयों I know मेरे चैनल पे बहुत सारे ऐसे गेमर्स हैं जो कि बहुत टाइम से मुझसे गेमिंग कंटेंट चाह रहे हैं और मैं कोई भी गेम प्ले वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ बिकॉज भाई मुझे एक्चुअली टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है. आई वॉन्टेड टू इवन लास्ट वीक बट मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ भाई. गेमिंग सेशंस लंबे हो जाते हैं एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू मैनेज माई टाइम लाइक दैट राइट नाउ. मुझे किसी ने कमेंट करके बताया कि Assassin's Creed Black Flag, which was one of the finest Assassin's Creed game to have ever existed, का रीमेक का वीडियो ऑफिशियल चैनल पे आ चुका है यूबीसॉफ्ट के. एंड भाई आई हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर दिस ऑनेस्टली. मैंने ये गेम आज से 12 साल पहले खेली थी. द गेम वाज रिलीज 13 years ago in 2013 और मैंने खेली थी 2014 के समर ब्रेक्स के टाइम पे. आई रियली होप दे डू नॉट मेस दिस अप एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी इन्होंने क्या किया है. क्योंकि भाई अगर इन्होंने बस फिल्टर चिपका दिया है ना एक गेम पे, बस कलर और कॉन्ट्रास्ट इंप्रूव कर दिया तो मेरी बुद्धि खराब हो जाएगी. Mix of work in progress gameplay and in-game cinematics. Okay.
We fly no colors out here. Praise the lack of them.
I think for the first time Ubisoft is being honest about this whole cinematic वाली thing. क्योंकि इन्होंने वॉच डॉग्स के टाइम से ही बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी ऑडियंस को स्कैम करना शुरू कर दिया था. एनिमेटेड रेंडर फुटेजेस दिखा देते थे एज गेम प्ले और जब गेम निकल के आती थी तो वो उसके आसपास भी नहीं होती थी जो कि E3 ट्रेलर्स में दिखाया जाता था. तो शायद इस वजह से इन्होंने लिखा है बट आई रियली थिंक कि गेम ऐसी दिखने वाली है. इट्स जस्ट टू कीप पीपल्स एक्सपेक्टेशंस लो क्योंकि ये गेम सेम इंजन पे बनी है जिस पे Assassin's Creed Shadows बनी है, द अपडेटेड वर्जन ऑफ Anvil इंजन. तो हाँ, ये गेम एक्चुअली इतनी अच्छी दिख सकती है.
So let the black flag signal nothing but your allegiance to man's natural freedoms.
A man
This is
plays
crazy,
the
right?
fool that it's only fools he'll persuade, but appear to be the devil,
Blackbeard.
and all men will submit.
भाई इस गेम की कॉम्बैट और इस गेम की शिप बैटल्स आज तक भी कोई गेम मैच नहीं कर पाई. खुद यूबीसॉफ्ट भी नहीं कर पाया. लाइक दिस वाज जस्ट अ नेक्स्ट लेवल थिंग भाई. द डेवलपर्स poured so much love into this game कि इसकी टक्कर की गेम तो आज तक नहीं बनी है.
We're pirates, kid. We take as we please and become who we like.
But that look ain't you. It's not who you are.
Who am I then?
You're a wonder, Kenway. You've a knack for this kind of work.
It ain't work if you love it.
भाई आई रियली होप ये जो अभी गेम प्ले फुटेज दिखाने वाले हैं वो इसी क्वालिटी का निकले बिकॉज आई विल हंट दीज डेवलपर्स डाउन एंड स्लैप ईच वन ऑफ देम विद अ मिनी कैक्टस प्लांट. भाई मुझे गुस्सा आ जाएगा बहुत ज्यादा. We're talking about my childhood memories here.
I have to say it is so good to be here. I played Edward Kenway more than a decade ago, and you know, he's one of those characters that never really leaves you. Now, over the past months, we know that you've been waiting, or we know that you've heard things. And today, it is finally time to share with you what we've been working on. Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced is a faithful remake of one of the most beloved Assassin's Creed games. It's totally rebuilt from the ground up.
I love how they call it resynced and not a remake because the synchronization process is very unique to Assassin's Creed games. ये एक अच्छा डिटेल लगा मुझे.
This version of the Anvil engine and enriched with lots of new additions.
Yep.
Resynchronization with Edward's journey and memories. The same story, the same man, but elevated to a new level of immersion and realism to bring you one of the most thrilling, swashbuckling pirate adventures. And I'm happy to say, Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced will be released on July 9th, 2026. Today,
Let's go.
guys, you are getting the real deal. The first ever look at gameplay. Everything that's been rebuilt, reimagined, and some behind-the-scenes stories. But enough of my talking, yeah? let's just jump right in.
Hello, pirates. Matt Ryan here, the voice of Edward Kenway. And this is Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. 13 years after the original, this remake brings the classic game back to life. Rebuilt from the ground up with the latest Anvil engine to deliver the most thrilling.
They kept the vibe of the original game, जो कि एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है. But there is more detail, there's more color. Looks good, bhai. Looks good so far.
Pirate adventure. All right, let's set sail.
Dash my buttons.
Jackdaw.
Your life seems a grand one, if I may say. So full of adventure.
You play as
Look at
Captain
this
Edward
vibe.
Kenway, a rebellious scoundrel eager to make a name for himself in the pursuit of glory, freedom, and a search for a better life.
I've seen your face before. Yous mates with them pirates down in Nassau.
Shut your bloody gob or I'll fill it with shot, you hear me?
Oh, I love the cloth physics. जो चीज मुझे चाहिए थी कि भाई बिल्कुल वो cinematics वाली animated cinematics वाली flowiness कपड़ों में और उसके hair में जब उसकी तरफ हवा आगे पड़ती है during the ship battles, भाई I really wanted all of that. I think they've done that in this game.
Edward, is it?
After crossing paths with the Assassins and Templars, Edward is drawn into their centuries-old conflict with secret locations and legendary treasures at stake. Along the way, he joins forces with infamous pirates such as Anne Bonny, Charles Vane, and Blackbeard. With them, he helps establish.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इन्होंने नया कंटेंट ऐड किया है because the character, the girl character you just saw, मुझे बस गेम में ऐसा याद आता है कि वो बिल्कुल क्रेडिट्स रोल होने से पहले दिखती है, उससे पहले कहीं पे भी नहीं दिखती वो पूरी गेम में.
Short-lived, lawless republic following the pirate code and defying empires built on cruelty and greed. Together, in their search for freedom, power, and riches, they'll fight across a treacherous tropical paradise. From dangerous waters to dense jungles, untamed lands, and bustling historical cities. From the grandeur of Havana, the thriving and wealthy jewel of the Caribbean ruled by Templars, to Kingston's bustling trade hub, and Nassau, the beating heart of the pirate republic. Each city offers a distinct atmosphere shaped by opportunities and conflicts. The Caribbean world reaches a new level of.
I hope इन्होंने नई side activities add की हैं, क्योंकि one of the problems with Assassin's Creed games is the world is huge and is very beautiful, but उसको explore करने का कोई भी incentive नहीं है. It's like the same copy paste missions everywhere you go on the map. इसको trail करो, उसको assassinate करो. It's just the same copy paste method, कुछ भी नया नहीं है. Witcher 3 में जब मैंने side missions खेले थे तो every side mission had a story of its own. Now बैटल के जो मैकेनिक्स हैं वो ऑब्वियसली कॉपी पेस्ट ही चलते हैं, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टोरी, कहीं पे आप एक वैम्पायर क्रिएचर से फाइट कर रहे हो, कहीं पे आप एक वेयरवुल्फ से फाइट कर रहे हो, एंड द स्टोरी अराउंड इट, द डिफिकल्ट चॉइसेस अराउंड इट कि आप या तो इसको सेव कर सकते हो या उसको कर सकते हो, वाज व्हाट मेड द साइड मिशंस वेरी एंगेजिंग. वो चीज हमेशा मिसिंग रही है असैसिन्स क्रीड गेम्स में. तो आई होप इस वर्ल्ड के एक्सप्लोरेशन को थोड़ा इंसेंटिवाइज करने के लिए इन्होंने कुछ नए साइड एक्टिविटीज ऐड किए होंगे जिससे वर्ल्ड इंटरैक्टेबल लगे और गेम खत्म होने के बाद डेड फील ना हो, लाइक यू आर अलोन इन इट.
Immersion and realism, powered by high-resolution textures.
Looks good.
Enhanced lighting.
Looks good.
Strikingly detailed environments. And a new dynamic weather system. Even underwater exploration is more expansive, more beautiful, and more perilous than ever before. With seamless access to cities and locations, the world feels truly alive.
Ship stopped!
Creating the perfect backdrop for a life on the edge, where freedom is earned and danger is never far away. Time to draw swords, lads.
इस गेम में एक बहुत अच्छी चीज थी लाइक बिकॉज यू वर द शिप कैप्टन, द पायरेट कैप्टन, तो जब भी तुम अपने शिप पे वापस आते थे ना एक पर्टिकुलर लैंड को एक्सप्लोर करके, तो तुम्हारा क्रू शाउट करता था द कैप्टन इज बैक। और भाई वो क्या बैडास फीलिंग देता था, लाइक एवरीवन यूज्ड टू चीयर फॉर यू एज यू वर वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द हेल्म। बहुत बढ़िया फीलिंग थी भाई वो। आई होप दे हैव केप्ट द ओरिजिनल थिंग्स भाई।
The combat system has been entirely reworked into an action-oriented experience.
Oh, that's cool भाई।
While wielding dual swords, pistols, and hidden blades, every move now plays a specific role with faster, more fluid attacks.
Oh, the rope dart भाई।
Land a perfect parry to open up your target for an instant kill. Then follow with up to 4 chained takedowns. Use walls, ledges, and breakables to your advantage.
The parry is good, but जो बीच में उसके इफेक्ट आ रहा है ना वो पता नहीं मुझे क्यों थोड़ा बग कर रहा है, मुझे थोड़ा बॉदर कर रहा है।
Walls, ledges, and
This kind of looks fake. Like particle कम करो या फिर ये जो शाइन है इसको कम करो भाई। This does not look good.
breakables to your advantage. Keep track of your opponents and use all your tools to level the playing field. But fight recklessly, and you will be punished. Whether you're on the hunt or on the run, mastering your environment is key. As you navigate through cities and jungles,
they have the manual eject back. तो Assassin's Creed ने क्या किया था, ओवर टाइम यूबीसॉफ्ट ने बहुत ज्यादा ना ऑटोमेटिक कर दिया था क्लाइंबिंग को और सारी चीजों को, पार्कोर मैकेनिक्स में, एंड पीपल वर पिस्ड अबाउट दैट। लाइक देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक चैनल जो बस और बस Assassin's Creed के पार्कोर के ऊपर ही कंटेंट बनाता है और इसको एनालाइज करता है। उसने इनको इतना क्रिटिसाइज किया कि लाइक हिज चैनल गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैक्शन थ्रू दोज वीडियोस बिकॉज वो बहुत इन डेप्थ जा रहे थे इस मैकेनिक को लेके, एंड दे हैड टू रीच आउट टू हिम फॉर दिस रीमेक कि भाई what can we improve about this? Like उसने शायद अपने एक वीडियो में बताया था, and he was the one who suggested कि जो manual eject है उसको वापस लेके आओ, because it's very annoying कि मेरा प्लेयर लेफ्ट या राइट जंप नहीं कर पा रहा eject करके वॉल से, वो सीधा ही चढ़ता जा रहा है और मेरे पास कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है। तो they have that mechanic back now भाई।
you'll experience smooth and improved iconic parkour moves. From
Hold on, is this HD? Is this
jumps to back ejects and side ejects? These options offer a range of reactive movements, giving you tighter control, resulting in greater speed and deadlier assassinations.
उसने ये भी पॉइंट आउट किया था इसमें कि जब भी प्लेयर हैंग कर रहा है किसी चीज से, तो राइट बिफोर इजेक्टिंग एक अजीब सा ऐसे स्विंग मूवमेंट है, झटका सा मार रहा है वो खुद को, रादर दैन मेकिंग इट फील नेचुरल। जैसे अगर तुम कहीं से भागते हुए आ रहे हो, पार्कोर करते हुए, यू ग्रैब ऑन टू अ बार, तो आपके पास ऑलरेडी इतना मोमेंटम होता है कि आपको एक और स्विंग लेके ज्यादा झटका मार के ना निकलना पड़े, बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी हैव दैट मोमेंटम, राइट? यू वर रनिंग टुवर्ड्स द बार। तो उसने ये चीज भी पॉइंट आउट की थी अपने वीडियोस में कि तुमने पार्कोर खराब कर दिया, यू हैव मेड इट स्लो, क्योंकि तुमने अननेसेसरी एनिमेशंस बीच में ऐड कर दिए जो कि नहीं होनी चाहिए थी। आई वांट टू रन क्विकली थ्रू स्टफ एंड दे हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड ऑल ऑफ दैट भाई। दैट्स वेरी गुड।
Being a pirate assassin often calls for a subtle approach. With Resynced and its enriched stealth system, you can now crouch freely as part of your toolkit to approach targets.
That's cool.
Tailing and eavesdropping missions have also been revamped. In the original game, getting discovered meant instant desynchronization. Yes, this was a pretty big pain point. We remember. Now, the action continues. Your objectives remain, but your target will react, and you must adapt accordingly.
That's cool. That's cool. Because yes, ये वाले मिशंस सबसे अनोइंग किस्म के मिशंस होते थे। Like वो बार बार पीछे मुड़ के देख रहे हैं. You get into a certain range with them and they start to get alert about you even though इतनी भीड़ में किसी को अलग से spot करना possible नहीं होता है. तो it was not only very annoying but not realistic at the same time. I'm glad they worked on it. I'm glad ये community की suggestions ले रहे हैं. That's new from Ubisoft.
All these new interactions offer multiple ways to succeed and progress in your missions. Of course, this wouldn't be a real pirate adventure without a ship.
Jackdaw. You named your brig after a poxy.
Did they make Blackbeard थोड़ा सा पतला? I don't know why. I liked him थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा dangerous looking, थोड़ा सा bulky looking.
The Jackdaw. What a beauty. Set sail and freely roam the Caribbean. Now equipped with even more firepower, the Jackdaw can conquer the high seas like never before.
Guys, I'm telling you, तुम जितने भी young लोग हो और अगर तुम स्पेशली अभी स्कूल में हो, you guys are so lucky to have this game remade, वो भी इतने अच्छे ग्राफिक्स में. This is a very good game. Very good game. I wish इतने सालों में कोई actually ढंग की Assassin's Creed game आई होती Unity के बाद जिसको आप सालों साल खेल पाते. But here's a new one भाई. You can totally immerse yourself in this game. तुम्हारे पास उस तरीके का टाइम है. So if you're a fan of open world games, तुम्हें story driven games बहुत पसंद हैं जिनकी एक बहुत अच्छी रिटर्न स्टोरी होती है, this is the game for you.
With new alternate fire upgrades for every weapon, you now have more power and flexibility to overcome opponents' ships in any situation. You will engage in epic battles,
Yup.
boarding parties, and fort raids.
Oh, they made the swing so fluid. I love that.
These are back and as challenging, dangerous, and exciting as ever. To reinforce your crew, 3 brand new officers make their entrance: Lucy Baldwin, the Padre, and Deadman Smith.
Who do you think people are going to choose, Bhaiyo? Who do you think I am going to choose? Just take a wild guess.
Each officer has a unique narrative quest line that reveals their backstory. Gain their trust to recruit them to your crew and benefit from their special gameplay abilities. Deadman Smith, for example, unlocks a double shot from broadside weapons.
I want the red hair baddie. I want the red hair baddie जो कि अभी दिखाई भी नहीं गई है. You know, I think there was a song towards the end of this game. Yep, so I just searched. The song is called The Partying Class. And जो मैं रेड हेयर वाली लड़की की बात कर रहा हूँ, she was the one who sung that song as he sailed back to his home, the main character. हमारा कैरेक्टर ना towards the end of the game वो सब अचीव कर लेता है जिसके लिए उसने ये पायरेट लाइफ चूज की थी, like the riches and everything. बट उस जर्नी में वो जो सब खो देता है ना, उस एंड सीन में वो सब दिखाते हैं भाई. It's a crazy ending.
Explore the Caribbean alongside your crewmates and trusty pet. That's right, you can now find a cat or monkey for the Jackdaw.
That's cool.
Engage and plunder other vessels. Steer through violent storms, rogue waves. Or just soak up the sun, regaled by shanties new and old.
For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us.
This was my favorite thing in the game. Just अपना ship कहीं पे भी चलाते रहना randomly with nowhere to go and listen to the sea shanties भाई. This was very fun.
Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced offers a deeper, more immersive adventure that remains faithful to what players love while enriching the experience with enhanced gameplay features and fresh quests and storylines, including ones
Let's
for
go.
the officers you met earlier and, just between you and me, new narrative arcs involving our old friends, Blackbeard and Steed. Defy empires and relive the era's explosive events amidst the ancient war between assassins and Templars in the ultimate pirate fantasy. Gold, infamy, and adventure await. It's time to raise the black flag again.
With Black Flag Resynced, we set out to reconnect with the heart of Black Flag. From the start, the intention was clear: deliver a faithful and enriched experience grounded in what players loved. We've rebuilt the entire adventure using our latest Anvil engine.
This looks very good. Well, honestly, मैं तुम्हें बताऊं, I'm surprised कि in my imagination गेम हमेशा ऐसी ही दिखती थी जैसी मुझे अभी लेफ्ट साइड पे दिख रही है. It's just crazy to me हमारा ब्रेन हमें कितना बेवकूफ बना लेता है, especially when it comes to some of our fond memories.
Expect fully overhauled visuals, new additions that deepen its world, and enhanced gameplay both on
Damn.
land and at sea.
Damn, मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि ओरिजिनल गेम में इतनी कम डिटेल्स हुआ करती थी.
Movement now flows more naturally from one action to the next, whether you're doing parkour across rooftops in Havana or fighting on the docks.
Listen.
Parkour builds on the latest design improvements from recent Assassin's Creed games, while still keeping Edward's classic moves. Combat now offers a more dynamic swashbuckling experience, driven by precise parries and takedowns. Stealth gets its share of improvements too, and the ability to crouch anywhere. They open up more tactical routes and subtle approaches, letting you shape the adventure the way you want. Naval gameplay also follows the same philosophy and offers more tactical options. New officers will join your crew with powerful abilities, while the Jackdaw's weapons can be upgraded with new modes.
Let's see. RAM 2, RAM 3, okay. Upgrades में मुझे कोई ऐसा नहीं लग रहा खास कि इन्होंने चेंज किया हो. It's just that वो मेन्यू का अपीयरेंस इन्होंने पूरा चेंज कर दिया है.
Change up the fight. The sea now plays an active role in how you'll be challenged by the elements. Weather and waves will influence how your ship will handle, while preserving the pace and freedom players remember. Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced matters deeply to us and to you. That's why we took the time to rebuild it with the care it deserves. This remains a solo, adventure, and character-driven experience. It is not an RPG.
No, let's
the
go,
focus
bhai.
stays on how you play and how you explore.
That is such a nice thing to say, भाइयों. ये बेस्ट चीज बताई है इन्होंने अब तक. Because जब से इन्होंने अपने गेम्स में RPG एलिमेंट्स घुसाने की कोशिश की है, तब से गेम की स्टोरी, गेम वर्ल्ड की डेप्थ, मतलब सब कुछ खराब हो गया है. They are not good at making RPGs. They were always great at making story driven games. और वहां से इनका फोकस हटके रिसेंट ईयर्स में पता नहीं क्यों आरपीजी मार्केट को कैप्चर करने में आ गया. बिकॉज द स्टूडियो थॉट हम जितने ज़्यादा माइक्रो ट्रांजैक्शंस इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं आरपीजी एलिमेंट्स के नाम पे, उतने कभी भी सिंगल प्लेयर स्टोरी मोड गेम में हम नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो चलो एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं. एंड दे स्टार्टेड एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विद द स्टोरी, विद द फील ऑफ द गेम, with the missions, with everything, even the mechanics and leveling systems, just so ये players को force कर पाएं into buying the XP passes, into making microtransactions in a single player game. तो I'm glad इनका focus story पे वापस आ गया है, because यही इनकी हमेशा से strength रही है. But they somehow could never see the pattern. और maybe it was probably because इन्होंने बहुत ही वोक टीम जो है लिबरल्स की इकट्ठी कर ली थी इतने सालों से, जिन्होंने ओरिजिनल गेम्स पे कभी काम ही नहीं किया था.
Some of this work came directly from spending time with some of our core players early on. We had them play early builds and sat down with them to gather their honest feedback on the game, tapping into the many things players expect of a Black Flag remake, from gameplay features to visual fidelity. This helped us refine some of our choices along the way. What was interesting was not only to gather that feedback, but to understand why players reacted this way. They were incredibly passionate about Edward, how he moves, how he reads on screen, even the details on his face. That led to deeper conversations. Together, we explored different approaches, tested ideas, challenged assumptions, and refined choices until the intent felt right again. The team's passion and commitment have driven every step of this journey, and we can't wait for you to see more of what we've been crafting.
It's because the other challenges we were facing was to merge actually two fantasies, being a pirate on one side and being an assassin on the other, without any friction. And the sea wasn't just an add-on, to the ground experience. Naval
So this is the original game right now. What you're seeing on screen is the older version of the game, जो कि आज से 12-13 साल पहले निकली है. Imagine भाई ये काम और ये graphics अपने टाइम के लिए कितने next level रहे होंगे.
Gameplay was really a core pillar from day one. We also wanted a world that feels alive. Right? Something that would react to the players, always in motion. And it was very compelling to me to see other people like Paul and his team actually to face the same challenges.
That's the soul of the game.
That you men are the pariahs of Charlestown, and I would profit better by using your organs for chum and your bones for char.
The good voice acting is back. It's back.
Oh, Christ!
And when you add new things to a game that people really know off by heart and they know it so well, the fear is always that the people might notice the seams, right? Jean, when you played it, what did you feel?
I don't want to know that really, but let's see, bhai.
Well, actually, I felt like playing Black Flag, and not even noticing where the original end was ending and when the new content that Paul and the team wrote was starting. And this is something really, really important. That continuity is very much essential.
Jean, whenever we wanted to change or add something, we would always question ourselves, does this belong here? Would Edward do this? Would John get upset? And if the answer wasn't clear, we simply wouldn't do it. However, as we all know, no remake is complete without additional content. So we have added brand new chapters and brand new missions to the game, including a brand new scene with Edward's wife, Caroline, that's written by Darby himself.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, bhai. So the thing about Edward's wife in this game is कि उसको enough screen time नहीं मिला था. Like he used to get flashbacks of his past when he was leaving home to live this pirate life, जिससे वो दोनों के लिए enough पैसा कमा के वापस जा पाए. But there wasn't enough story to make you feel emotional about it. There just wasn't enough dialogue between those two. So I'm glad they're working on it. The back to their roots इनको समझ आ गया कि भाई हमारी strength हमेशा से story telling रही है, तो उसी के ऊपर चुपचाप काम कर लो. And I'm glad ये नए content के लिए अलग से DLC डाल के charge नहीं कर रहे.
For me personally, from the scenes that were written, kind of, as I said, more dynamism, but also there's a certain kind of weight to Edward's journey, I guess that with Black Flag Resync, there are some really kind of important decisions to make, right, Paul? And
Damn. They even did motion capture for the new scenes, जो कि इन्होंने सालों से नहीं किया है, और उसी वजह से इनके कैरेक्टर के फेसेस और उनके एक्सप्रेशंस एकदम फ्लैट दिख रहे थे सालों से.
Did you approach those?
So Matt, with Resynced, we made a clear choice. It is a pure story-driven adventure, and we are fully focused on Edward's adventures in the Caribbean. As a
That's
result
good to hear.
of this focus, we have elected to not have the multiplayer and not have the DLC. However, Resynced is built from the ground up.
Let's go.
With new story, new content, and new systems. But we're staying true to its action-adventure roots. Resynced is a 2026 take on the original legend. And for those of us who are curious, the original will still be available.
I really want them to remake everything right now. Like Assassin's Creed 1, 2, Brotherhood Revelations. The whole Desmond story arc was absolute masterpieces, भाई. वो अगर ये remake करना शुरू कर देते हैं, I'm telling you, जो इन्होंने इतने सालों से जितने भी इनको losses हुए हैं ना अपनी घटिया games की वजह से, वो within months ये recover कर जाएंगे.
And the other thing that the people I feel never forget, and certainly I never had, is the music.
Yeah, absolutely, Matt. It's the music, especially the sea shanties. The sea shanties in particular have always been part of Black Flag's identity. For Resynced, we have kept the shanties that everybody loves, but we have also added new shanties. They are connected.
Oh, that's good. Oh, look at the dolphins. Ship के आगे dolphins देखो.
We have also added new shanties. They are connected to the story.
Oh, that's so cool, भाई.
Everyone! Was a long time and a very long time.
So today, we'd like to reveal a collaboration with an artist that's deeply connected to the Assassin's Creed franchise. And this artist has a special place in my heart because of his work on Assassin's Creed Revelations. Woodkid.
Woodkid.
Ah, cool, cool.
Oh, bhai. Go listen to Woodkid ka Iron. Like there's this song called Iron by Woodkid. और Assassin's Creed Revelations का जो ट्रेलर था Woodkid का, भाई सबसे खतरनाक ट्रेलर टू दिस डे. मैं आज भी उस गाने को जिम में सुनता हूँ.
That's great.
Hey everyone, Woodkid here. I'm in my studio in Paris now and I have great news for you. I'm back in the Assassin's Creed franchise, this time for Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. You know, the world of Assassin's Creed has been very important for me and very linked to my career. It started like 15 years ago or something. And this time, I'm very excited about what we've done. I know that Assassin's Creed Black Flag is a game that's very important to all of you. It's a game about escapism, about rebellion, about exploration, and these are themes that are very, very important for my work. You know, I've explored.
Well, I'm just so happy कि ये finally actual talent को जिन्होंने original games बनाई थी उन सबको वापस ले आए हैं. क्योंकि भाई मुझे नहीं पता क्या इनकी पॉलिटिक्स के चक्कर में इनके दिमाग चल जाते हैं कि हम डाइवर्सिटी दिखाएंगे, हम इस कैरेक्टर को जो वाइट था उसको ब्लैक कर देंगे. अभी हैरी पॉटर के साथ भी यही चल रहा है. स्नेप को काला कर दिया भाई उन्होंने नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज में, और उसके जो मीम्स बन रहे हैं नेक्स्ट लेवल मीम्स बन रहे हैं भाई. झाड़ू पे स्नेप चल रहा है बंदूकें चलाता हुआ. तो ये जो इस पॉलिटिक्स के चक्कर में अपने सारे काम को बर्बाद कर लेते हैं ना सालों के, वो मुझे कभी समझ नहीं आएगा. क्योंकि अगर आप बिजनेस पर्सपेक्टिव से भी सोचो तो एंड ऑफ द डे इन्वेस्टर क्या चाहता है? इन्वेस्टर प्रॉफिट्स चाहता है. उसको क्या लेना देना है किसी भी तरीके की डाइवर्सिटी से या वोकिज्म से? अगर वो चीज से उसको लॉस हो रहे हैं तो इतने साल क्यों लग गए इनको ये चीज रियलाइज करने में?
These themes a lot in my music, so I won't say too much, but I can't wait for you to hear what I've done for Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced.
Having him return to the franchise.
Like इस गेम में जो एक फीमेल पायरेट भी दिखाई गई है, वो लड़कों की तरह कपड़े पहन के और लड़कों वाला मेकअप लगा के इन पायरेट्स के बीच में सालों साल रहती रही. एंड एडवर्ड एंड हिज क्रू वाज द ओनली वन जिसको ये बात पता थी कि ये लड़का नहीं है. Everyone used to think of that girl as a young boy in the crew. जब तक एक दिन उसने अपने सर पे से हैट हटा के और अपने बाल नहीं खोले, is when he realized, the main character Edward, कि भाई ये तो लड़की है. Like even with the female characters, जो badass moments थे वो बिल्कुल भी forced नहीं थे. Even the pirate chick was good looking when she was trying to be a girl. तो भाई ये जो realism था, जो उस टाइम की actual problem दिखाई गई है कि भाई girls were not accepted in that world, तो she had to put on that mask, she had to put on the makeup to look like a man. वो चीज से लोग connect करते थे. तो वो छोटी छोटी details video game worlds में is what makes the world immersive. This isn't a comeback, it's a final gamble. हाँ भाई, अगर ये game भी flop हो गई ना, ये स्टूडियो का नामो निशान खत्म हो जाएगा. इनकी हर दूसरी गेम जो इतने सालों में निकली है वो फ्लॉप हुई है. पर ये वीडियो खत्म करने के बाद अगर तुम्हें वीडियो गेम्स का म्यूजिक बहुत पसंद है, वाइब्स बहुत पसंद है, तो देयर आर टू थिंग्स दैट आई वांट यू टू सर्च अप. एक रेवलेशंस का ट्रेलर, एसी रेवलेशंस का, और दूसरा द सॉन्ग द पार्टी इन क्लास. आई एम गेसिंग तुमको एक्चुअली अच्छा लगेगा इफ यू आर अ फैन ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ गेम्स. सो दिस इज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो भाइयों, एंड आई विल सी यू ब्रदर्स इन द नेक्स्ट वन. पीस.